if you're blessed, then it's your duty to share.
My dad started the business about 72 years ago, and Matilda, of course, was right there with him. They had already been married for several years when he started the business. Even though she wasn't involved in the day-to-day part of the business, she was a true partner to my dad. And so as they traveled together throughout their lives, she was the one that would keep notes in her diary about who they met. So later on, when my dad was trying to remember names, she was the one who helped him remember the names.
You know, here she is, the wife of this very successful businessman, and she never had airs about her, so to speak, and she always was the authentic Matilda. You knew exactly who you were talking to, and it was very dear.
I know, he has made a lot of money and all that, but it's God who made you to think and to who we are. All the praise is truly for the glory of God.
Appropriately enough, she was born on Valentine's Day. Her love was probably first apparent to me when I married Bob, and she immediately embraced me. That always means a lot. So to call her mom was very easy.
I heard from a lot of people who worked at Vermeer, 40 years, and they would make, comments about how they loved to see Matilda. I think that she was kind of the person who brought a little bit more of that, the soft side to Vermeer. And our culture is very family oriented and focused on taking care of each other. And I think that's a lot of Matilda's influence.
The caring spirit that you experience at Vermeer is Matilda. That is where that comes from. And it was part of Gary too, but she just had a huge heart to give to others.
I think you receive a real blessing if you help others or whatever you do.
And we do continue to have that caring culture, and that we truly continue to give back. That's always part of who we are as an organization, and to continue to grow and improve for ourselves and our customers and everyone involved.